Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for getting on to our channel. If you just lucked and didn't been surfing and you came to our channel, thanks for surfing the internet, surfing the YouTube. Holla at your boy. So the next video we seen is just some stuff we put inspiration from, and you know, we do shout out to the sponsors. I almost forgot. We got shoe cleaning bags. We do custom shoes, shoe restorations. We also clean, and we share our knowledge. So it's a nice channel to join. So if you need some knowledge, or you just like to think how we think and where we get our inspiration from, and you know, well, so let's get into it.
Alright, let's level up this pair.
Paranoia, sleep, lost, all these blue faces, talk, lambo, butter, fucking bar.
See, I know he got this pair to look as dirty as possible, which goes into our shoe restorations, but shoe cleaners as well. Let's just get into it though. But you know, anything can be done.
Back at it, back at it, back at it. Alright, now before we actually get into this restoration, I think it's time for me to give a full disclosure here. Yeah, like right here. So I got these Royal ones from my friend. He ended up spilling Tabasco sauce on the midsole and absolutely cleaned it up. But I was like, bro, how do you expect me to do a video just about that? That's a trash restoration. There ain't no fun in that. The lie is way more interesting. So, since they were his beat pair, I ended up just adding like a couple of Hollywood special effects. And if you look closer, you can see the different pigments of dirt, the light sprinkles of comet all throughout the back of the shoe, and the Walmart spray paint. So, now that we got these Royal ones to the worst imaginable look ever, now it's time to actually wash these down and get down to the real specifics.
There's some cleaning solution right there. Everybody got their own. You even check out on our website. Not saying get it, just use some. I also try to pick some videos with good music, you know? You even noticed that yet?
Got the cash in my brain, so it's steady. Blur me out black and white like the Yeti. Got my foot on the neck till it busts out confetti. Machete.
Get you some version of this brush. I ain't saying get one from us, but get you some version of this brush. Or even this one all-purpose brush. The little one don't hang.
Now the pain I can feel a damn thing. It's not the same, man. It freezes my veins.
You can check out our video where we restored this one. So.
Back in 02 had to set up crazy with the gang getting home runs and Louis sluggers. Now I'm losing women to fried cheese and vision, but they all moving.
Scrub hard and rapid. That's the tips, you know. I'm sure if you hear, you look at the tips of how to clean the shoe, so you know, just maybe you are, who knows. I mean, that's what I'm looking for when I watch these videos.
And now you can finally see what's been the main issue of these shoes, which is the huge discoloration of the midsole. Now, I could just put some regular Soul Bright, Retro Bright, Beauty Salon 40, I forgot what it's called, OxyClean, or just some regular sole sauce that would have these midsoles unyellowed. However, it's very, very common once you actually go through the process of unyellowing your shoes, they're going to get yellowed again if you wear them a lot within the next like month. So then, therefore, in the long run, it's just best to do a regular repaint on it, so then it's not going to get yellow in due time, especially if you plan on wearing them like ASAP.
Is it to me, or do these people talk fast? Let me know. Comment below if it's just me. Alright, maybe I talk slow. Sometimes I rhyme fast, sometimes I rhyme slow. I'm creeping with her in the Betty. Squash the earth for a come up, I'm ready. Push a V6 like Marie Andretti.
Swerving out of lanes, no terrain. Only me when I'm out on campaign. Another pain, I can feel a damn thing. We is not the same, man, it freezes my veins.
When it comes to shoe restorations, a lot of people just feel like all they gotta do is repaint a shoe and then therefore it's restored. But beyond that, you gotta replace the actual materials. It's all screwed up and like fucked up. Like all your problems cannot be resolved with just paint. You actually gotta buy new materials and put them in. And that's exactly what I'm doing right here. So after I repaint this midsole and get it back to a
Probably 3 more hours, 3-4 more hours of work
then
though.
Restitch it with the sewing all and actually stitch in the midsoles, and you won't be able to tell the difference between this pair and a brand new DS World 1. So for sure, let's get to it.
Cutting through the noise, I can up the big missing. 90 on the fridge, time to risk another ticket. Count my circle on my fingers, my lady in addition. She can keep me out of line.
Just more acetone, cleaning it up a little bit more.
7th grade freaking, I was having different visions. Walk up in the house and waste our bag.
So you get paint on mid-soles, but it's not guaranteed it's gonna stick. I mean, I get, you know, it just, you know, midsoles go through the worst. And they like take all the absorbent and they crush, and I feel that's risky, but we'll paint on them though.
The bankruptcy's getting bigger. I suffer back in the Astro. We saw some grass at the bottom. I had to go make the quote. Paranoia, sleep, lost, all these blue faces, talk, Lambo, for the fucking boss, paid it for keys, toss. Yeah. Yeah. Call to say what's up and I just hit him with the heads. I don't really come around you much because you messy. Nights all along, anytime you
Using the airbrush to brighten it up. You know, you might have could have scrubbed it too with a brass bristle brush, so I've seen that restore color too. I mean, I think he kind of wasted time because he ended up painting anyway. But you know, but that's the right way to do it. But I would have saved myself some time personally.
I just parlay and re-up and repeat it. Yeah, the span of rapping. Yeah, don't come between it. Yeah, paranoia, sleep, lost, all these blue faces, talk, Lambo, for the fucking boss, paid it for keys, toss.
Now that we're actually done with repainting the midsole, all that's left is to do is to officially sew back in the actual thread with the sewing all, and then do a couple of more things, and after that, we're good to go.
I got connects in the city, and that's what give me leverage. Give me demonstration. I got my back up in wings off the Illmatic. I steady keep in rotation. I dip out, reverse the job on my spot. My glove I saw on the napkins, most of the devil. I'm right back up in there. The city lives tonight, like Friday nights in the summer. In 2nd grade, they used to call me rope.
Before trying this, I would definitely YouTube. I would check that on YouTube. Maybe do a practice pair. It's one that's a very tedious. When you're doing it by hand, it's very tedious. I cannot throw you flotation, I'm damn near trying to do myself favor. Pages, beeping on major. I'm the one that told you serving up all the flavors. She gon' soften up, depend on how far I take it. Yeah, I'm a fan of new courses and lane I free courses. Andy up and from way up and now I need to force it. GG4 still sticks it, but it ain't got the horses. My
Dicky fashion outdated, but I don't need the sources. Ain't never dealt much of circles, so I was really irked. My bro been putting on focus since we was snapping turtles. Nowadays my surroundings look like the color purple, and every girl I mess with, know the beers come and go. It's like I'm dope enough to be the one, baby, but I had to wiggle. I had to flip all these tens, some hundreds, and do the dizzle. And that wasn't even selling some codeine or flipping reels. I was flipping 50 pairs of some conkerts and getting bizzles down the bay, taking parts of the station stop.
That's when we start doing giveaways. So subscribe for the giveaways at least.
All this work is so simple.
Either gonna be a custom, a shoe restoration,
Last but not least,
or just some
bring out the natural
gear.
colors of the actual colorways that I do restorations on. I use an organic leather moisturizer, and that's something that basically retains the moisture inside the actual leather so that it doesn't end up cracking over time, and it keeps the leather from drying out. In all the years I've been working on shoes, I've yet to actually find a product that doesn't use chemicals that will damage your actual leather and shoes down the road. So instead, I ended up working on and making my own organic leather moisturizer that doesn't have harmful products in it that can screw up your pair down the road. And as you can see, it's been working pretty well for me. And for everyone that has ordered a bottle within the past like month or 4 to 6 weeks, your actual orders will be on the way later this week. On this last batch of orders that I did, I really wasn't expecting to get like 90 orders, to be honest with you. So
that's a good thing.
Yeah, your orders are on the way. And for everyone else that's interested in actually getting a bottle, you can go on the website below in the description. And yeah, stay tuned. More restoration.
No, it is, but ours,
way. Stay tuned.
We don't have no leather moisturizer, but we definitely got a lot of cleaning products. Check it out, MikeandNikes.com.
I'm sleeping with her in the bed. Squash the earth for a come up.
And that's a wrap. For him it is. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep continuing to give you the best of the best content we can find, what we put inspiration from. We give you some stuff that inspire you, you know, but if you ain't got the time